Greetings, great people in the YouTube lands. This is takedown day. Let's get into that. Let's take this. Warning, the children are at large. That's a good Joe. So, the best thing about taking down jumbo box braids done by yourself is it is simple. Yes, they don't look too bad, but I got to switch it up. Make it feel like it's cheating. But nah, I have a good handy pair of scissors. Hopefully we won't need them, but I'm hoping they just slide right out gracefully. No problem. So let's take out a couple in real time. Let's see if they do that. Pull up. Oh. Nope, it's not working. Gotta have a little bit. So I guess we're gonna have to cut these bad boys. Not a problem, but a problem because the hair gets everywhere. And I didn't even grab a trash bag, but it's all good. It'll be on the floor. Ooh. But they're really simple to take out because there's not as many of them. And voila, magic. Let's try it again. Sometimes it works. I must have split that hair in them three. Nope, not working. All right, before we pull my brain out, go ahead and cut them. Ooh, it's flying everywhere. And we're complete. Ow, braid free. Back to one of the rubber bands slipped right on out. Another good tip when doing them is putting your rubber bands into some whatever oil you have available, like maybe some olive oil maybe, or because they slip right out, see? Excuse me. Olive oil. And then not putting them on so tight. I don't recommend pulling them out like I'm doing because I'm sure I'm popping my hair, but just get your grip on the rubber band and pop that bad boy. And if you leave them in longer, it's easier to pop them too. But they serve their purpose, y'all. I'm on to my next thing. And I use some Designer's Essential Edge Control. Oh my goodness. Oh no. How I feel about that. And it's kind of pricey for that little container. Like at least with Hicks edges, you get a bigger container. I don't know. I'm not big on edges. I just like with a little slick back game. But yeah, I use the Designer's Essentials Edge Control. I don't think I took any close-up pictures with the edges laid with that edge control. I did with the Shine Jam though. Which I need to go make a beauty supply store run. Cause I'm almost out of Shine Jam. Grab the rubber band. Ooh, try to pop it with your hand. Don't use scissors. Oh my, ooh, see I popped it with my hand. Scissors, oh my God, the risk of cutting your hair. Woo, especially doing it yourself. Now you got somebody else doing it and you trust them, go right ahead. But we ain't doing it. Not with me doing it by myself. We done cut my whole daggone square off. Patch be like patchy in this bad boy. Then I be doing a video how I grew my patch back. Should we cut a patch? No, I ain't gonna do that. I want subscribers and stuff, but I ain't about to off my casualty. Now, if it's a casualty, we could document that. Oh! But there is nah, I didn't get no comb. So what I'm gonna do now is detangle this and pop these rubber bands. Get these rubber bands out. Comb it out. Well, you know, these haven't been in that long, so I don't really have any. Usually there's a lint ball ring around your hair when you have your braids in for a while. If it was, I would detangle that piece by piece, and which is a great tip. Do not wash your hair without removing the lint from around the base of your braid. Oh my goodness. I made a mistake because I frequently get braids, but I made a mistake and did that. Well, I lazily detangled and had a knot left, like one of those lint knots left. Oh my goodness, it was terrible. My hair was wet and I was trying to detangle it. It was like almost took the scissors to it. But it came out. But definitely detangle your hair, de-lint. Try to comb out as much lint as you can and detangle it really well. And if it hurts, just put you a little detangler or something on it. I usually just use conditioner when I'm detangling if it's that bad. You know, because it's the era of protecting these naps. Well, not naps, when I say that. Natural locks. Ooh, that's better. You know, your girl just hopped on here to record y'all a little something. Oh, we got a brush. Let's try that. Oh, that's not too bad. Ooh, ooh, sounds bad, but ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, all right. Ooh. So we just gonna brush that bad boy up and watch the lint fly. We need to vacuum the floor after that. That same hair tie I used to tie up them braids. We're gonna do us a little top bun. Never too old for the mom bun. What? But when my little niece, she's 9, came in with the bun. We both had I'm about to say nappy. Dang right. We both had the top bun. But our natural hair, we was looking cute. I'm gonna get a picture of us next time. But yeah. Well, that's it for that. That was simple and sweet, short. Boom. Out, braids in, braids out. Bird. Boo. Boom. But anyway, hit me up. I'm here for you. If you're here for me, I'm here for you. You know how that works?